Hi. Today we will learn how to loop or repeat video in BS Video Player, so that you can watch video without playing again and again. This is one of my videos. I want it to be played repeatedly. So, right-click on the screen. Go to Playback and Playback Mode. Now, as I want this particular video to be played on and on, so clicking Repeat 1. If I play now, the video is being played without any click on play. But, when you need to switch off the feature, simply reverse the procedure as shown. So, this is how you can get video repeated in BS Video Player. Hope you subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.